Once upon a time in a bustling village, there was a small food stall owned by a man named Ravi. Ravi was known for making the best Manchurian in town, and people would come from far and wide just to taste his delicious dish. Despite his success, Ravi wasn't satisfied. He wanted to become the richest man in the village, and he believed the only way to do that was to make even more money. One day, Ravi thought of a plan. If I make my Manchurian with less quality ingredients and charge the same price, I'll make double the profit, he said to himself. So, he started using cheaper vegetables and cut down on the spices. But, to his surprise, the Manchurian didn't taste as good anymore. Customers noticed the change and began to complain, but Ravi ignored them. He was too focused on his growing pile of coins. As the days went by, fewer and fewer people visited Ravi's stall. His once famous Manchurian had lost its charm, and people started buying snacks from other vendors. Ravi's profits began to dwindle, and soon, he had no customers at all. His stall, which used to be the most popular in the market, now stood deserted. Ravi realized his mistake, but it was too late. He had been so greedy that he forgot the most important rule of being a good vendor: always put quality and customer satisfaction first. He had lost the trust of his customers, and it would take a lot of effort to win them back. Determined to make things right, Ravi decided to go back to his old recipe, using the best ingredients and putting love into every dish he made. He also apologized to his customers and offered free Manchurian to everyone who had been disappointed. Slowly but surely, people started coming back, and Ravi's stall was once again filled with happy customers. From that day on, Ravi learned the value of honesty and hard work. He realized that being greedy doesn't lead to success, but being true to oneself and taking pride in one's work does. And so, he continued to make the best Manchurian in the village, not for the money, but for the smiles on his customers' faces.